Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Bebinca, Queen of Goan dessert. As Christmas is around the corner, each and everyone can prepare at home. Very simple to prepare. The only thing you need time to bake the layers. So let's get started. Now what we need is two coconut medium size. Basically what we need is 350 grams of grated coconut. Add it to the blender jar once you grate. Add water till it covers the coconut and blend it in order to extract coconut milk. Next step, take a vessel, add 200 grams of sugar, add little bit of water in order to make caramel and keep it on the flame. As you see, our caramel is getting ready now. Do not use any spoon or ladle, that's why I've added water in that. Now it will start to change color. Now you have to turn off the flame. Add little water gradually. As it is very hot, you need to be very careful in this. Slowly add little by little water. So let it cool down in that. As you see, it still bubbles. We need to add more water in that. Now this step I've taken it first because it still remain hot, and let it cool down completely. Keep this separate. Take a bowl, add 6 egg yolk, 200 grams of sugar, and mix it till the sugar dissolve. So now once this is ready, add flour 150 grams, mix it well. Now what you have to keep in mind is, in order to avoid any lumps, you have to gradually add coconut milk. 750 ml, add little by little. Mix it properly. So there should not be any lumps in the mixture. It should be a smooth batter. Add the remaining coconut milk. After mixing well, add half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well. Now in order to make the sugar syrup, take a vessel, add 100 grams of sugar, add enough water and keep it on the flame. Let it simmer and get a sticky consistency. As our sugar syrup is getting ready, meanwhile we'll switch off the flame, leave it on the side, and we'll start to grease the mold. So once you grease the mold, keep 50 grams of butter, melted butter, on the side. Now we need to divide the mixture into one with the caramel, which we did earlier, and one will be vanilla flavor. One will be caramel and the other one will be vanilla. Mix it well. Meanwhile, you need to preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 392 degree Fahrenheit. Also to keep in mind, in order to bake the bebinca, we need the top element on. Best is to use the salamander, but if you have an oven, you need to switch off the bottom part and keep top element on. Now let's start to bake. We'll start with the caramel mixture first. I'm using 4 ounce ladle, which is 1.5, which is equivalent to 6 ounce now. Once you add the mixture, put it in the oven for 8 minutes till it get nice brown color. Look at this. This is how it should be. Now you need to apply half a teaspoon of sugar syrup and half a teaspoon of butter to every layer. Once you remove, apply well. Every layer once you remove, let it cool down for at least half a minute. before you add a next one. Now add the vanilla batter. Same way, you have to cook the bebinca layer by layer till you finish the batter. Now this is the third layer. Check this out. Now keep on doing this alternately, the same process till you finish the batter. Our bebinca is ready. Let it rest till it cool down. Now I will demold it with the help of a knife. Just check this out, how beautiful the layers are. Guys, check this out. This is how bebinca is made. It will just melt it in your mouth if you follow the recipe right. Follow it from the start. Follow each and every step and you will get this right. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.